welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf. Yeah, when you are doing projects, there is one thing that's really annoying and it's impossible to get rid of and work around. It's waiting time for stuff to cure, stuff to drive, stuff to arrive. So right now down here I have a wood board that I'm making, and yeah, as you can see, it's stuff all over the place. There are stuff being glued, waiting for dry. There's heaters that's waiting for being mounted. I'm waiting for parts for that, so I'm waiting on that. I'm waiting on that. I'm waiting on that. I have stuff out there. So during those dry period, you can do small stuff. So now we are gonna restore these lights. As you can see, they are dinged up. Doesn't look very nice. And it's real easy to fix them up. So let's do that. Flip it over. And when you are disconnecting old terminals like this, be real gentle about them because they can easily break. Now we need to remove these switches. Some are used to push out. Some need some talking to. So, there it is. Let's take a before picture. So that's one disassembled. Let's do the same with the other one. So now it's off to the little dirty work. So let's move to a better place for that. Sorry for the bad lighting. Yeah, so now it's just to clean the surface up. I took the finest sandpaper I had. It was 120. So now it's just to clean up the surface, make it nice and flat, and get some small nicks out of it. Wipe it off. Mask the electrical off. And yeah, as you can see, I'm leaving the light bulbs in. That's just to make sure that I don't get any paint on the contact surfaces. Maybe you shouldn't do it like that, but at least that's the way I do it. So yeah, they were silver, they are gonna be gold. Why gold? Simple answer, I didn't have any silver at home. One of the cheapest paints I can buy. I bought this for just making some gold bars of some scrap wood I was having laying around for giving the kids a treasure hunt. So it's old. I don't even know if this one still works, but let's shake it up and try it. The worst thing that can happen is that the paint's gonna be no good and I have to go and buy another bottle, sand that off. It's really easy to do, so let's shake this up and then spray it. So more waiting, let this cure, then we're gonna put some clear coat on it. And yeah, as you can see, I'm doing this in the boiler room. That's because this room is the best vented area I have. There are a ton amount of air going through the chimney, and I'm painting it directly in front of the fireplace, so all the bad fumes just go straight out. Next step, clean the glasses. Just some normal dishwashing soap. Water. Now it's just to let these dry, then we're gonna assemble them back. So let's see how it turned out. So let's take off this masking. Replace the light bulbs. Yeah, these are really good and really cheap. I will leave a link down below in the video description as usual to these. So that's one. So that's with the old light bulbs. That's with the new ones. Maybe not so much difference in the amount of light, but in the consumption. These ones are for that short amount of time, they are insanely hot. Yeah, these are 5 watts each, so 10 watts total. And the new ones is 4, so we're going down from 10 watts to 4 watts per lamp. So from 20 watts to 8 for both of them. That's really good. I will show them with a lot better light. Oh, here they are, as good as new. But better, since it's now LED that works on both 12 and 24 volts. So, real nice. So that's 2 old interior lights restored. Next we're gonna tackle that one. And that's in the next episode. So stay tuned, like and subscribe. See you next week.